Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make batter. First, gather all your ingredients and tools. Precision in measuring is key for consistent results, so use proper measuring cups and spoons. We'll cover how to select the right flour, the role of leavening agents, and the importance of liquid temperature. By following these simple steps, you'll create smooth, delicious batter every time, ready for your favorite recipes. Selecting the right ingredients is fundamental for excellent batter. Always opt for fresh, high-quality flour, eggs, and dairy. For dry ingredients like flour or sugar, level off your measuring cups for accuracy. When it comes to wet ingredients, such as 1 large egg or 1/2 cup of milk, bringing them to room temperature helps them combine more smoothly, preventing a lumpy mixture and ensuring even distribution. The mixing process is crucial for a smooth, lump-free batter. Begin by whisking all your dry ingredients together in a large bowl. This ensures leavening agents are evenly distributed. Next, create a well in the center of the dry mixture and pour in your wet ingredients. Mix gently with a whisk or spatula, just until combined. Overmixing can develop gluten, resulting in a tough texture, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Achieving the perfect consistency is the final step to great batter. It should be smooth and pourable but not watery. For example, pancake batter should slowly drip from a spoon, not run off quickly. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon of liquid at a time. If too thin, add a teaspoon of flour. Finally, let your batter rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the flour to fully hydrate and gluten to relax, leading to a more tender final product.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.